Junior, is that?
So this is from the blizzard of 2010. We're in February, and it's not very nice. We broke the record for the most snow ever in one season. We had 70 point something inches of snow, and Jason's loving it. It's a lot of snow. Careful.
Let's see how far it goes.
Make sure there's no cars coming, Jay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no cars.
Yeah, I hear one. What do you mean?
There. Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm
Ready? You're stuck? If we had some more snow there, you'd really go, wouldn't you? What do you think of the snow?
Here, let me do that.
Good.
These are like the biggest icicles I've ever seen. They're just kind of hanging from the house. But they are pretty. You're on camera, whatever you do. Be careful.
I'm gonna try it backwards.
Okay.
Get it. This is gonna be hard.
What are you trying to do?
It's like
See?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get up.
Watch, there's a car.
Yeah, it's going up.
The other road, okay.
Wow.
A lot of snow. What do you think, Pop-Up? You having fun?
What's that?
You having fun?
Yeah. You go down hill. Oh, backwards.
Okay. Oh, that didn't work, whatever that was. What do you think, Jay?
Yes.
It's hard for them to get up on it. You know what to do, Jay? Jam it down like that first.
No, just, Jason, just do the one in the street. Look, right there, all that snow.
Yeah, it takes a shovel. Yeah.
That's hard work. Now, off the street.